Okay squad, what we have at Impress here is our modern gaming computer. We wanted to have not too high end, but right in the middle so that you can have upgrades for later, more storage. Went with a height Y60 case. That's gonna offer plenty of hard drive storage. If you want anything additional like bigger hard drives or even bigger graphics cards, that's gonna go in this thing. It's a real simple build. We have some RGB to throw in there, so let's get to it. Okay squad, this is going to be the final product. What we got is the height Y60 case, and inside of that we put that i9-13900K, inside of that Z790p motherboard, 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM, 1000 watt fully modular power supply, that's a gold label just in case, and RTX 3060. We didn't go all the way up into the clouds with this because there's budging room for anyone who wanted an RTX, the 30 series or 40 series, and so you're ready to rock and roll either way. Typically you want to build this way and we can help you with that. All you got to do is just call us 281-647-9977. All right.